Maintenance. I have two engine here. Uh, One is taken apart, which will need to be repaired. This engine is already been repaired, so the parts that's been replaced, of course, is because of oil lack of. Um, the engine overheated. So here we have wear and tear on the piston head, or on the piston, and then on the liner insert. So inside, it's because of wear and tear, it's just worn out, no oil. And with that, it overheated, broke parts, the piston rings worn out, loose. This one is, they're all loose, they're all worn out. So and then the piston rod also, where it meets into the I don't know what to call it now, the crankshaft also was needs to be reworked. So if you don't maintain your machine, if the machine are not maintained, there's cost involved. This repairing this machine, quite frankly, was over close to 10, maybe a little over 10,000 peso. Bits and pieces needed to be replaced. So this is a TF 150. 150 means it's a 15 horsepower. So yeah, costly to have machines that have no maintenance plan. Now this one is an NS18, so it's 18 horsepower. Again, lack of oil, overheated. So what happened with this one is crack head. Here's the crack, if you can see it, it's cracked. The liner still good, so this thing is pushed out. This is the liner insert. So bushing is highly eroded, missing two bearings. Good thing it stopped working, otherwise this thing would have been really badly damaged. So this needs to be rebore, machined. So because of lack of oil, the bushing is highly eroded. It's actually beginning to eat into this part. So that thing is really stuck. The bushing is really thin. You might say there was no more bushing. And also now it's beginning to eat into it's creating a groove. Here you can see lots of groove. So this thing, I don't know how much it'll cost. Lots of money probably, cost a lot of. This connecting rod maybe can be salvaged, but I doubt it. New piston needs to be, because if you just simply use this, it'll just leak. And rebore. Reboring is about 1,000 peso or more. Machining smoothly because of the bushing, they were just metal on metal. And of course, missing ball bearing. This thing was overheating. So yeah, maintenance. What is that? I'm sure when we put it together and make it work, there'll be other problem associated with worn out parts. But man, with no maintenance, it's an ending cycle. And there are, this is just two. There's 8 more. So yeah, gotta have a maintenance plan in place in 2022. It cannot continue like this. It's just if you don't have one, you'll be leaking money trying to keep these in running condition. So end results: parts need to be replaced, uh, crack overheads, replacing liners, pistons, piston rod or connecting rod, crankshaft. They just come apart. So maintenance in the Philippines, zero. 2022, hopefully there'll be something in place to maintain this machine.